Hi everyone, this is DOYUSHA made in Japan small model, which is a small box. There is also, you can compare with the big Boeing DOYUSHA model. There is only 4 parts coming together. Those are them. You can compare the size. It is already painted. I haven't done anything yet. This side is also painted, and the small parts also painted. You can see here, and there is also small instruction coming with it's small that is DOYUSHA advertisement coming with the box. You can see the other models here, and it's a F-117A Nighthawk, the American airplane. You can see the instruction here. It is very easy. Of course, they are in Japan. There is I don't know, we need to use glue or not. I will try, and then I will show it again. Another thing is, you need to choose a landing gear in closed position or in open position. You need to choose between them and assembly. Yes, I removed the parts. It takes 2 or 3 minutes. You can see that the wheels are only one part. It is different than the European models. You can maybe discuss, is it necessary with few parts? We try to assemble them in Revell or Italeri like European models. I think it is the easy model kit for you can make it in your work or in a 15 or 20 minutes. Actually, there's those parts are made white with white material and painted to the black. You can see those whites. Maybe you need to paint it again, but this part, the main part, is almost perfect, so you don't need to do anything. Here you can see there is also no recall inside the box. It is already fixed by factory. Those are all the parts. Okay, now it is finished without using glue. It takes only 5 minutes. It is easy to make, and those parts are for the closed gear. Yes, landing gear, closed position. If you use them, you will get the picture under the jet. You can see here in the box. Yes, it is very well made without glue. It's fit perfect. You can paint if you wish to. As a Revell user, I can say it's very well made, very nice. I hope they become more popular in my country. It is hard to find these DOYUSHA Japan products in Turkey. So then, have a nice day. There is no stand, I forgot to tell.